Hi guys, so today I wanted to share with you guys how I made some really delicious options for my fasting that I've been doing. I've been trying to try out different diets to help me lose some weight, and so I want to share with you 2 to 3 different type of fruit salads and salad recipes. So the first recipe is going to be like a fruit salad, basically a jar salad or whatnot. So I'm going to get my fruits. As you see, I have some strawberries and some blueberries. I'm going to clean them with the baking soda and vinegar. Let them soak for a while, dry them, and then I'm going to split my strawberries up. And you don't have to split them up if you don't want to, but I like to. And then I'm taking this, I think it's about maybe 16 ounces jar, mason jar. And I'm going to use this Skinny Girl raspberry dressing. It's about like 5 calories. So it's really good to use if you are watching your calories. And it tastes really good to me. I mean, I really like the way that it tastes. So I'm going to put about maybe 2 tablespoons in the jar. And as you see, I kind of like eyeball it because I've been doing it for a while. So I know about how much it needs to be. So, but you can use your measurement cups and spoons and stuff like that if you want to be exact. Okay, so I like to put the dressing at the bottom of the jar so that it doesn't get everything mushy and wet, because I'm going to make this in like batches and then put it in the refrigerator. So after I do my dressing, I put in a little bit of strawberries. I have some red onions that I've chopped up and put those in there as well. And then after that, I'm going to put in some feta cheese. This is optional, and I'm trying to pour. They have these cute little tops on top of this feta cheese, but it just wasn't working for me. So I'm just going to take the top off and kind of like scoop it in, spoon it in. I do recommend you put as less as possible, but I kind of like the taste of it, and so I put quite a bit. I like to cover the top layer of the onions, so that way I know that I have enough in there. You could use less if you want, or more if you want. It's up to you guys. So once I put my feta cheese in there, I'm going to use this next item, which is just some roasted sweet corn that I got out of a can. So it's I don't cook it or anything, because it's already cooked. But I drained the canned juice off, and I rinse it off, and then I, put it in there. So that's what I did. So I'm going to put that in there. Then I'm going to use some baby spinach. And oh my gosh, I love baby spinach. I just love spinach, period. So I kind of like stuff it in there as much as I can, because I try to get as much of that spinach in there as I can. So I'm kind of like really stuffing it in there and pressing it down. So you want to do that and put as much as you want. And also, if you want to, you can use bigger jars than this. This is what I had on hand. I like the size of it, and I'll make a few of them a day. Next, I'm putting in some shredded chicken breast that you could cook on your own at home, or you could buy it already cooked at the store. You can get a rotisserie chicken, or you can get that pre-packaged chicken if you want to. So that's what I'm using. I'm actually using rotisserie chicken, and took the chicken breast and shredded it up and put it in there. And then I want to put some honey pecans, or pecans, however you want to pronounce it, to top it off, you guys. So this is like a copycat version of that Panera Bread strawberry poppy seed. Well, actually, it's not. It's kind of like, actually, scratch that. This is not the one. This is more like a Southwestern chicken salad recipe. This one is. Now, the next one that I show you will be more like the Panera Bread poppy seed. What is it? Strawberry poppy seed salad dupe. It's more like that. So that's what I'm about to make now. You can keep these salads in the refrigerator for a few days. I make about like 2 to 3 days batches at a time, and I'll have one for lunch, and I'll have one for dinner, and in between I'll do a protein shake. So that's usually what I do for the day, and I'll do this for about maybe 7 days, and then I change my next week diet to something different. But here you see I am putting about 2 tablespoons of the Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing. I like this dressing because it's a little bit more thinner than the thicker dressing that I found in the store that is by, I forget the name of the company it's by, but I mean, it's okay, but it's too thick for me. So I use the Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing. Then I'm going to put in my chopped strawberries, a couple of tablespoons of the fettuccine, not the fettuccine, but the feta cheese, or I hope I'm pronouncing it right, feta cheese. And then I'm putting in the baby spinach, and I'll top it off with the chicken. Again, I'm going to top it off with some of the candied pecans or pecans. I'm going to put that on top as well. Now, if you want to, you can put some pineapple in there if you like. I didn't do that. Or you could use some mandarin oranges. You know, you can get a little creative if you want. But that's just what I use. So that's like that. And y'all, don't forget the blueberries as well. Strawberries, blueberries, poppy seed dressing, baby spinach, chicken, and pecans. That's what you need to make these 2 salad jar recipes. And as you see, this is about 2 days or 3 days, because I eat about 2 salads a day. So about 3 days worth of eating. And in between, I will have a protein shake. So this is just a couple of meal prep ideas. Hopefully you guys can incorporate them into your weight loss journey. Until next time, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.